Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another English learning session. Today, I am very happy to speak about a topic that is close to every student's heart: my school. This is one of the most important topics for beginners who want to improve their English speaking skills. So let's learn together. My school is one of the most beautiful and valuable places in my life. It is much more than a building made of bricks and walls. It is a place where dreams are born, knowledge is shared, character is built, and the future is prepared. Every morning, when I enter the school gate, I feel excited because I know that a new day will bring new lessons, new ideas, and new opportunities to learn. My school has a peaceful and friendly environment. Classrooms are clean, bright, spacious, and well organized. Every classroom has comfortable desks, blackboards or smartboards, charts, maps, and learning materials that help students understand lessons better. The school campus is decorated with beautiful flowers, green trees, and colorful gardens, making the surroundings fresh and pleasant. Every morning begins with the school assembly. We stand together with respect and discipline. We pray, sing the national anthem, listen to the thought of the day, hear important announcements, and sometimes enjoy motivational speeches. This morning assembly fills our hearts with confidence, discipline, and positive energy. It reminds us that every new day is another chance to learn something meaningful. Our principal is wise, kind, and inspiring. The principal encourages every student to study hard, respect others, and become responsible citizens. Under the guidance of our principal, the school maintains discipline, excellence, and a positive learning atmosphere. Our teachers are the greatest strength of our school. They are patient, hardworking, knowledgeable, and caring. They explain difficult topics in simple ways so that every student can understand. They answer our questions, encourage our curiosity, and motivate us to believe in ourselves. They not only teach us English, mathematics, science, history, geography, and computer studies, but they also teach us honesty, kindness, discipline, respect, responsibility, and good manners. English is one of my favorite subjects because it connects people from different countries and cultures. Learning English helps me communicate confidently, read books from around the world, watch educational videos, and create better opportunities for my future. Every new word I learn increases my confidence, and every sentence I speak brings me one step closer to fluency. I enjoy reading books in the school library. The library is a quiet and peaceful place filled with interesting books, dictionaries, storybooks, biographies, science books, and magazines. Reading regularly improves my vocabulary, imagination, knowledge, and communication skills. Books are truly our best friends because they teach us lessons that stay with us for life. Our science laboratory allows us to perform experiments and understand scientific concepts through practical learning. The computer laboratory helps us learn technology, typing, coding, and digital skills that are essential in today's modern world. Sports are also an important part of school life. Our school has a large playground where we play football, cricket, volleyball, badminton, basketball, and many other games. Sports keep us physically fit, mentally active, and emotionally strong. They teach us teamwork, discipline, patience, leadership, and the importance of never giving up. My classmates are friendly, supportive, and cheerful. We learn together, solve problems together, participate in competitions together, and celebrate success together. We help each other whenever someone faces difficulty. True friendship makes school life enjoyable and unforgettable. Our school celebrates many important national festivals, cultural events, annual functions, sports days, science exhibitions, debates, quizzes, essay competitions, art exhibitions, and educational tours. These activities help students discover their hidden talents and build confidence in public speaking, leadership, creativity, and teamwork. One of the most valuable lessons my school teaches is discipline. Discipline helps us manage our time, respect others, complete our work honestly, and become responsible citizens. We learn to arrive on time, wear our uniforms neatly, keep our classrooms clean, obey school rules, and treat everyone with kindness. My school also teaches us the importance of good habits. We learn to wake up early, exercise regularly, maintain personal hygiene, drink enough water, eat healthy food, protect the environment, plant trees, save water, respect our parents, obey our teachers, and help people in need. These habits help us become better human beings. Education is the greatest gift that a school can give us. It gives us knowledge, confidence, wisdom, creativity, and the courage to face challenges. Education opens the doors to endless opportunities and helps us achieve our dreams. Whether someone wants to become a doctor, engineer, teacher, scientist, pilot, entrepreneur, artist, or public speaker, education is the foundation of every success. I believe that every student should respect education because every lesson learned today creates a better tomorrow. Success does not come overnight. It comes through regular study, discipline, patience, hard work, and continuous learning. My school has taught me that failure is never the end. Every mistake is an opportunity to improve. Every challenge makes us stronger. Every examination teaches us preparation. Every teacher gives us guidance. Every friend teaches us cooperation. Every book gives us knowledge. Every school day brings us closer to our dreams. I am proud to be a student of my school. My school has shaped my personality, improved my confidence, strengthened my character, and inspired me to become a responsible and successful person. I will always respect my teachers, love my classmates, protect my school, study with dedication, and make my parents and school proud. In the future, wherever I go and whatever I become, I will always remember my school with love and gratitude. The lessons, memories, friendships, and values I receive here will stay with me forever. Finally, I would like to say that a school is not just a place to study. It is a place where dreams take flight, confidence grows, knowledge shines, friendships blossom, and the future begins. Thank you, everyone. Keep learning English every day. Read more, speak more, practice more, and never stop believing in yourself. Every small step you take today will lead you to great success tomorrow.